Welcome to Back to the Basics. We are learning how to make our practice time more effective. Today's technique is about slowing down. This can be a hard technique for two reasons. Number one, we want to play the music at the speed it's supposed to be played at. And the second reason is that this takes time and it takes patience. Slowing down allows our body to learn the patterns that are in our music, and it also allows our brain time to process what's on the paper. The idea behind this is that we're learning how to play our music accurately. Everything, the rhythm and the notes, all starting from the beginning. So where do we start? How do we know how slow I need to play it? Well, you play it as slow as you can, where you can play every single note and rhythm correctly. So I have an example here. We're going to take this to an instrument. I'm going to show you how this actually works. So I have a one measure passage that can be kind of tricky, especially when this is supposed to go super fast. So I'm going to slow this down and find that tempo where I can play every note correct. So I got them all right. So now I'm going to start working on that and work from there and work my way up closer to the speed. And I go slow and I don't increase by a whole bunch. And I would do this and do this until I get to the tempo that I'm supposed to be at, which is closer to. And I already missed some notes in there, so I have to slow it down and try again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.